On to Madison in the push to reform how missing children are reported to the public. Today, senators passed a bipartisan bill that was proposed after 2 children died.
Now, one of those was a 5-year-old child from Milwaukee who didn't fit the state's criteria for a missing person alert. CBS 58 Capitol correspondent Emily Fannin has more on why the bill is facing some roadblocks.
Senator Agard.
In the state Senate Tuesday, lawmakers reached their first hurdle in trying to change how law enforcement notifies the public when a child goes missing. Senators unanimously approved a bipartisan bill that would reform the state's Amber Alert system to include more children.
This bill is a big deal.
The motivation behind the effort comes after the tragic deaths of Lily Peters, a 10-year-old from Chippewa Falls, and 5-year-old Prince McCree from Milwaukee. Police were unable to issue Amber Alerts because Peters and McCree did not meet the state's strict criteria. This bill would change that.
Anything that we can do to improve the quickest recovery available to try and retrieve our children if they're in harm's way, I think that's critical.
In order for the bill to reach Governor Tony Evers' desk, it still has to pass the Assembly. And right now, the bill's co-authors, Senator LaTanya Johnson and Senator Jesse James, are working to ensure it gets across the finish line.
We're having some bumps in the road, and we shouldn't.
I don't know what the holdup is. I don't know what the issues are, but I'm going to have conversations.
The Assembly only has one scheduled session day for the rest of the year, and that's this Thursday. And as of right now, this bipartisan bill is not scheduled to be up for a vote. So I asked top Republicans in the Assembly why that is, and they told me some of their members still had questions about the proposal, but they believed it would eventually be added to the calendar and up for a vote this Thursday. Reporting live at the state capitol, Emily Fannin, CBS 58 News.